So welcome, my name is Philip from Fasttel. Welcome to ISE 25. Let me present you our new video kit, FT600. It's all in this box. It's a plug and play video kit, which has here an auto unit with keypad or without keypad. So what is nice, it's plug and play. You just connect it to the PoE switch, which is in the box, and you're off. There are 4 QR codes in the box for the app. You just scan it and that's it. So you don't need to create any account when you're with your customer, nothing like that. So very easy. We have the outer unit in black aluminium, brushed aluminium and real glass, so no plastic at all, which is very handy. It comes with one box here to install it, as well on the wall as flush in the wall. So you can choose during installation how you are going to use it, flush or surface. It's for both. It comes with this 7-inch monitor, which you can install on the wall or with this feed anywhere you want using the Wi-Fi. So you don't need cabling, just plug it anywhere in a normal power socket, integrate it on the Wi-Fi, and you're done. It's expandable. You can install as many door phones as you want. Indoor monitor, you can also integrate the big one, of course, the FT30cc, which I explain more in another video. And the door phone is also available outside this plug and play kit as an open source intercom with on-viv and zip functions. Thank you very much. Go to fasttel.com.